When I teach you guys new functions, like the absolute value function, I usually make us do a table at least once, and then we use shortcut for our horizontal and vertical shifts and our horizontal and vertical stretches. So when we don't know exactly what it looks like the first time, we're going to plot points. So give me some values for our table, and let's see what this absolute value function looks like. 1. All right, what else?
7.
Oh, I don't think I go to 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. It's got to be in between -5 and 5. So if I do 1, should we do 0? How about -1? -2? And +2? That work? All right. So we are doing the absolute value of x. I don't know why that wasn't there. It should have been. So now what I want you to do is plug in each of these values, get your y's, plot your points. So I'm going to choose -2 first. Absolute value of -2 is, there you go. Now you guys have an idea of what I want you to do. Once you have those, plot those points. What do we have? No comment? What shape is that? A V. Yeah, absolutely. Okay, our absolute value is shaped like a V. You'll feel that this is very similar to what we did with quadratics last year. In fact, that's where we're going to go next. Down here, when we did quadratics, do you remember what the plus k on the end did to your parabola? Anyone?
Did it move it up?
Yeah, it moves it up or down. Perfect. Moves up and down. Perfect. So we've got our up and down. What does our H do? All right, folks. K was up and down. What do you think H is? Left and right. And there's something special about this H because of that negative sign right there. Anybody remember? Left or right. And you need to go opposite of the sign. It's important. So if it had a -2 here, we would go right 2. That minus means opposite. And then the number out front. If it's positive, it opens up. If it's negative, it opens down. And it also is our vertical stretch. Meaning how skinny that V gets or how wide it opens up. So if we have this parent function memorized right here, my hope is to get through these 6 graphs on this paper pretty quickly using our shortcut method, okay? Ready? Okay. So I know my parent function would sit right here on the origin, and I'd have a slope of over 1, up 1. What does this +2 do to that parent function? Moves it up how many? All right, so I'm just going to remind myself that this is up 2. So I'm going to take, I like to go from the vertex right here. That's easiest for me. And I'm just going to shift it up 2, and then I can draw my V. And you will be able to do this in your homework as well. It makes it pretty friendly. You guys are feeling good about this already, aren't you? What does the -3 do?
Moves it right.
Opposite direction, good. Right, 3. I'm going to take that vertex, I'm going to move it on the x-axis, 1, 2, 3. Make your V. Just do them all that way. Oh, now it's getting serious over there on problem number 3. We got 2 things going down. Tell me what I do.
Down 4.
Down 4.
Left 2.
Left 2. I can't draw straight lines very well. Forgive me. Okay, number 4. What's happening to our V in this case?
Going down.
All it's done is flipped upside down. Okay, I want to talk about something really quick before we talk about the 2 in front of the absolute value. In our parent function, our pattern was over 1, up 1, wasn't it? Over 1, up 1. What the 2 does here, multiply the up by 2. Multiply the up by 2. So it hasn't moved left or right or up or down. It's going to stay right there on the origin. And it's going to go over 1, but instead of up 1, it's going to go up how many? 2. Over 1, up 2. Over 1, up 2. Balance it on the other side. So on this one, what's going to happen with that 3? Over 1, up how many?
3.
Grace is on it today. She's our class communication. And this will be up 2 and right 5. Go ahead and graph that. See if you can do it without me. Do your left, right, and up and down first. That's the easiest. How'd you guys do? Good. That's your assignment today. Should be open. Let me know if otherwise.